This natural spray will clean your mattress and repel dust mites in just 1 minute. Don't waste money on chemical cleaning. This method works much better. Take a spray bottle and drop in 3 sticks of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and its strong scent drives away insects and dust mites. Plus, it leaves a warm, spicy aroma that lingers in fabrics. In a tall container, pour about 3 ounces of alcohol. Alcohol disinfects, acts as an antiseptic, and helps dissolve the cinnamon compounds so they work more effectively. The next ingredient is vinegar. Vinegar neutralizes odors, has antibacterial effects, and creates an environment dust mites can't stand. Add about 4 ounces of vinegar. Then pour in 1 cup of water and transfer everything into the bottle with the cinnamon. Shake well so the ingredients blend together. Now you can spray your mattress, especially in the corners where dust mites usually gather. This spray also works great on couches, armchairs, and even in the car. By combining these ingredients, you create a natural protective barrier that ensures not only cleanliness, but also long-lasting freshness in your home. Use it regularly, and your sleep will become healthier and more comfortable.